The first screen we come to are the company live statistics. Across the top, these are company-wide KPIs, key performance indicators. The first is the total waste processed by the company. The second are the total cycles run. When this particular one, you see 12.5. That means there is a cycle in operation right now. The next is the average cycle time throughout all the machines at all the sites. And last is the average reload time, the time it takes to unload and reload for the next cycle. These are averages across. Below, you'll see a scroll bar that has the different sites. This particular company has 2 sites, one in Salisbury, North Carolina, one in Somerset, Kentucky. You can see that each one shows the number of machines and some details about the site's performance. Clicking on that site will take you to the site summary page. The next screen we come to is the site overview. This particular site is 001 in Salisbury, North Carolina. There are 4 KPIs running across the top. The total waste produced today, the total cycles run today, the average cycle time, and the average reload time, which is the time from unloading, reloading, and hitting the start button. Below, you'll see the machines that make up this site. There are 2 machines located, serial number 15370 and serial number 15757. You'll see some more details about those particular machines. For example, accumulated weight processing today, the total time above 285 degrees, the hours this machine was in run mode today, how many cycles it's completed today, and the average pounds per hour so far. The same statistics are below, and these are dynamic for how many machines are located at your site. We will again navigate to the singular machine level by double-clicking on that title. This machine does contain some of the same data as previously described, but with much more detailed statistics. You can see gauges for the cycle count, pounds processed today, the last reload time, and the average reload time today, along with how many hours this machine was in a run cycle and how many hours this machine was idle. We'll skip this second part and go to the bottom machine statistics, where we can see accumulated weight processing today, weekly, and monthly. This particular machine is on the first week of this month. We can also see cycles run today, cycles this week, cycles per month, cycles last week, and cycles last month. And the same with the hours in run mode. Next, we're going to use this middle section to navigate to the events or batches that were run. You can see that there are 4 listed events with this particular machine, and the cycle count is 4. Those should always match. We're going to go ahead and double click on this first event starting at 8:39 a.m. This is going to take us to the event frame knowledge page. So this particular event shows the graph of both the pressure and the temperature of this unit. We can click one to remove one, or remove them both. Say we wanted to look at temperature only. We can do that through the whole cycle. There are details down here that are also recorded. They can also be added into the graph if you would like to see those other details. Layering data to what you'd like to see.